Hi folks, happy new year 2022. You're most welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share everything with love regardless of who you are and where you're from. And in this video, I'm just giving you an idea, sort of like a tip on how to decorate maybe a wedding decoration for your friend's reception, or your own in your home. Maybe in your house. Okay, just very simple, very classic, and nice looking, and less costly. Yes, so you just need to get a few lightings, like maybe yellow if you like yellow, but in this case the blue, mixture of blue and white light. So you're just gonna be just having a glance at the way it's decorated, and just for you to get a small tip or an idea of what you can do. If you have a big compound outside, you can do the same on the outside or on the fence up, the way you need it. It's a DIY, do it yourself, the way you like it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, and yes, share this video to your friends and loved ones. And it can be a simple decoration, even for birthday or a small, simple, easy occasion. You don't have to put in a lot of money. Just buy lights and tell the people to decorate them for you the way you want it. Okay, so please turn on the notification so that whenever I post a new video, you will be informed. Enjoy. واو، شوفي هناك، شفتي؟ حلو والله مرة حلو. You made me stronger. Oh, oh, you made me stronger. واو، حلوة 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 حلوة. شفت كيف سوي قدام؟ سوي بعد ولا لا؟ سوي بعد نفس الشيء. شوف كيف. واو، نايس. قولي نايس. I love it. شوفي البيت. ايوه حلو. في حفلة. نفسي حفلة. في تاني حفلة؟ في تاني حفلة. Johnny say yes papa. No papa. Eating sugar. No papa. Telling lies. No papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Johnny yes papa. Eating sugar. No papa. Telling lies. No papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Bravo. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and click the bell notification so you will know whenever a new video pops up. And if you enjoyed watching this one, please let me know in the comment section down below, and please give it a big huge thumbs up, share with your friends, and a happy new year 2022. God bless you.